18 divided by 9 is equal to 2 multiplication with 3 minus 1. 2 multiply with 2 is equal to 4, but it is totally wrong because we didn't follow the BODMAS rule. Here the BODMAS rule P is equal to parenthesis, E is equal to exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and S subtraction. Parenthesis, first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Exponents. The rules is first parenthesis, then exponent, multiplication, division, and same priority, and addition, subtraction has also same priority. Then according to this rule, first we will do 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then 18 divided by 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 18 divided by 18 is equal to 1. It is the right answer. If you have different opinion, please comment.